The Medilink support desk welcomes you to a presentation on creating batches. As you can see, Mr. Jeff Neal is open as a patient, but Medicare doesn't rely on any particular patient being open. As long as a patient is open on your screen, you can simply go across and select the HIC Online button. This opens up the Medilink HIC Online Control Center. As you can see, there's a vast amount of areas here that you can work with. We have a batching area, a transmissions area, reporting, last transmission reports, transmission and status reports. You can do this via a date range. To HIC, forwarded to GP and forwarded to specialist, received from HIC, reconciliation and status reports, and utility batch reports. So you can type in your batch number here of any batch that you've created, recreate the DB1, look at your process and payment reports, batch statements, batch breakdowns, or even a batch audit. On the right hand side you've got view folders. After you create a batch, this is where that batch will sit waiting to be sent. And then you forwarded. This will show you every batch that you have actually created and forwarded to Medicare Australia. So to create a batch, we simply start by selecting Medicare under the batching area. Select your provider. Choose the provider number, or in this case we'll use all practices. Choose a practice. In this case we'll do all practices. This will give us a warning just to confirm that the provider number is accessible to all those practices. Here we have our batching screen. For the Medilink user, you will notice we have a new section here called Toggle Waiting Mode. If we turn this on and double click the first consultation, you will see it goes red and there's a W in front of it. This is used for any consultation that needs to be held until your BCC report comes back in. So these two consultations are now ready. So simply click on batch 30. You will notice they turn blue. The B in front represents their part of batch A0013, and you simply select OK. This will generate a DB1 showing both the patients there. Your doctor is Dr. A Practitioner, provider number, claim ID is of course A0013. Now you can actually print this and hold this, but as this report is available at any time, you can simply close it. The batch will be sitting in the forward folder, and all you simply do is click on step 1, which is forward, which will send that claim to Medicare Australia. Thank you for watching this presentation on how to create a batch.